The one Jesus is mentioning today is revenge and resentment. You have heard how it was said in the past, an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. But I say to you, can you imagine Jesus? Can you imagine that he said, offer the wicked no resistance. If he slaps you on one cheek, you do what? Nah. Let me see anybody who has been able to do that. Can you? It says, do not resist. Do not resist one who is evil. But if anyone strikes you on the right cheek, turn to him the other also. And if somebody sues you for your jacket, that's your monkey jacket, give him the coat, the gorilla coat. He's gonna be kidding us. Is it these Christians who download Holy Ghost, fire and thunder against even those who have not slapped them once? That's only those who have the intention to slap them. Is it the generation of Christians who upload and download Holy Ghost, thunder and fire against the enemies that are only thinking here? So they are only thinking. They are not even slappers. They are only thinking of slapping. Is it the generation of Christians that Jesus is speaking to? Is it the generation of Christians that are trained to pray with knife, machete, against enemies? Oh, those who say, I will not marry this year, they must die by fire. Or you begin to command fire. Everybody fire. Come and see vibration. Fire. They must die this year. Anyone who say you will not make it this year, they must die this year. Is it the generation of Christians that Jesus is speaking to? He said, resist not the evil one. Turn the cheek to the one who slaps you. It's Jesus that is talking. I bet me ask your neighbor, have we even started this Christian race? Pray for those who persecute you. This one I'm even talking now. Somebody is telling me, Father, be there and be wasting your time, sir. I know after this man, somebody will go somewhere where you people will do real prayers. Hear him. Jesus said, you have heard how it was said before. An eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. Now that thing is called the law of retaliation, or lex talionis in Latin. Lex, law, talionis, retaliation, the law of retaliation. You find it in Exodus 21, Leviticus 24, and somewhere in Deuteronomy. It was actually copied from an ancient, it was the first recorded human law. If you go home today, I don't want to be explaining everything. When you go home today, just carry your phone, go to Google, type Hammurabi Code. Hammurabi, H-A-M-M-U-R-A-B-I. He was the first known king of Babylon who wrote out laws to govern his people. It's part of that law that the Jewish believers copied into the Old Testament. It is regarded as the first known human law, code of human law. Go and type it, read a bit of it. Now, it looks like the law is savage. Eye for eye, tooth for tooth, and all that. But no, actually the intention of that law was to control the damage of retaliation. Because, like I said, normally human beings, if you do me, I go do what? I go do you. Now, if for instance, a clan kills somebody from another clan, that victim, his own clan people will do what? They will want to come and retaliate. And the tendency is that when they come, they will kill anybody they see. They might even kill 3 in retaliation. I can blind somebody, and the person wants to retaliate. The person can go and do what? And cut my head. So it was to stop that, if you want, uncontrolled retaliation, and to bring order, that law was given. So that if I puncture your eye, you cannot puncture my nose or my ear. You will do what? You puncture my eye. And if it is your right eye I puncture, you cannot puncture my left. You must puncture the right. And if I puncture your eye, but it was discovered that your eye is 4 o'clock eye, but my own is normal, you cannot puncture my own, because the judges will say your eye is different, the quality of your eye is different from his own, so they cannot find you in monetary terms. So it was to avoid people taking laws into their hands and giving retaliations that are not commensurate with the provocation. So if you look at that law, it's actually to safeguard society. But that was the best they can do. But as far as Jesus is concerned, their best is not good enough for a Christian. And so Jesus is saying the intelligent human beings brought the standard a bit up. But I am saying to you that that is not good enough. You have to go higher. So Jesus is saying that whereas people of old were allowed to take what you call measured revenge or commensurate revenge, for you, you don't have that luxury. You don't have that privilege. You don't have that right. For you, it's an eye for an eye. It's not a tooth for a tooth. Rather, resist not the evil one. Do not retaliate at all.
Sign up with the largest community of Catholics online. Meet new friends, chat, post pictures and videos, make and receive audios and video calls, interact with lots of priests and religions. Download the app from Google Play Store.